Hello, everyone. My name is Judy Lawrence, and I am an educator in the state of Pennsylvania who can teach you how to become a PA notary. Now, there in the state of Pennsylvania, there is a basic 3 hours of education that is mandatory. You cannot become a notary without it. So we have an online course that provides you with that 3 hours of basic education. And once you're finished, you will automatically get a certificate that says it's done. With that certificate, you can go to the state and you can do what you have to do, which is take a short test. And once that's over, you will be a notary. Now, I'm here to tell you that becoming a notary is not only an honor, it's not only a privilege, because you are given a commission by the state, which says that you're a person of integrity and honesty, and you can go ahead and help people with their transactions, whether that means loan signing, estate planning, apostees, for virtual notaries. You can do it all, but you can't do any of it until you actually take the notary course. So what I want you to do is go to Lawrence Institute for Notaries, and I want you to go to the dashboard and look at the course that says Become a PA Notary. And once you do that, and read a little bit about what we have on the site, once you do that, if you click on the course, you can take that course online, like right now, right when you're finished listening to me.